Yes, it hurts. When you're left alone, when no one cares, when you're drowning in pain and silence. But let me tell you something. Pain is not your enemy. It's your teacher. This is where it starts. The world didn't fall apart in a loud explosion. It crumbled in silence. That's how it feels when life hits you the hardest. No warning, no mercy. But the question is not why it hurts. The real question is, what will you do when it does? Yes, it hurts sometimes when you feel alone. It hurts when you're in that dark place. But listen, that moment you start loving yourself again, your war begins. You want revenge from the world? Start by becoming someone they can't ignore. John didn't fight because he wanted to. He fought because he had nothing left. But he chose not to rot in that pain. That's your choice too. You buried your fire under fear, under loss, but you can dig it up again. Start now. Although life is short, many thought tomorrow would be waiting for them, but they didn't wake up. You woke up. So what now? Are you going to wait for someone to fix your life, or will you fix it yourself? John Wick's silence is powerful here. He doesn't explain himself to anyone. You don't owe the world an explanation for your pain, but you do owe yourself a comeback. You gotta make your life better. Get rid of things that don't make you strong. This is your purge. Delete what's weak. Erase what breaks you. Rebuild yourself. Do you know why he doesn't scream? Because pain turned to purpose doesn't scream. It strikes. Don't give up on life, because once it's over, you can't come back. That's the lesson here. When you hit your lowest, fight like hell to come back up. Be the strength for others. Lift someone when they're down. Even John the killer had moments where strangers helped him. Help others, and help will find you too. It's going to hurt. Sometimes it gets tough. But when it gets tough, you get tougher. You think the world owes you? Let me tell you something. Tomorrow doesn't owe you anything. It's already made up its mind. So while you're breathing, you better make each breath count. You are not dead. They haven't put rose petals on your coffin yet. You gotta be willing to work for it. Sacrifice for it. Struggle for it. No shortcuts. No pity party. Just grit. He wasn't fighting for revenge anymore. He was fighting to reclaim who he used to be. Fighting to leave a legacy. And so must you. Celebrate life, good or bad, because you're still living. You can still evolve. Don't worry about who believes in you. Believe in yourself. Live, breathe, fight, you. Remember this. Hell did not create you. Pain did not define you. Time does not wait for you, so don't waste it. Make your mark. If this message hit your heart, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's going through their own fight. Because pain shared is pain halved. And never forget, the most dangerous man is the one who kept going when it hurt the most.